Even a perfectly installed car seat can't protect your child if the harness is wrong. I'm Jacoby and I'm a CPSTI. Here are the 3 things you need to check every time you buckle your child in. Chest clip placement, strap height, and strap tightness. Number 1, chest clip placement. It helps the harness strap stay on the structural parts of baby's shoulders during a crash, keeping baby in the seat. The chest clip should always be placed at your baby's armpit level. Check it every single time. Number 2, strap height. When your child is riding rear facing, we want the harness straps to be coming out of the car seat right at or just below baby's shoulders. Number 3, strap tightness. A common mistake parents make when buckling their child in their car seat is leaving the straps too loose. The pinch test is how you check to make sure the harness is tight enough. Right at your child's collarbone, pinch your thumb and your pointer finger to try and gather any extra slack. If you can gather that slack, you need to tighten the harness. And when you're unloading your child from the car seat, I always recommend loosening the harness to get them out and then retightening it every time you put them back in, and doing that pinch test every single ride. Don't rush the next stage. Check the fit every time and always follow your manual.